My name is Dr. Deborah M. Vereen, and the name of my book is Repair the Broken Pieces. My book accentuates an area of education that is beginning to emerge. It sets the stage for deep conversations about family engagement and the impact of positive school and home relationships have on increased student outcomes. Most importantly, Repair the Broken Pieces has the capacity to help educators change their behavior so that they take the lead in developing and maintaining positive and authentic relationships with parents. The unique system of engagement fusion outlined by me makes this possible. This book promises to help educators everywhere, especially those who serve diverse students, increase family engagement, thereby contributing to the growth and development of children and youth. Pick up your copy today.